a space that provides support. We have the malasakit culture, which I believe distinguishes us from other companies and other BPOs. So part of that malasakit culture is providing employees with things that help them.
Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of The After Shift. We are excited to have you here today for something a little different.
That's right. Bakit nga ba tayo nandito sa labas?
Naku, kakaibang after shift session ang pag-uusapan natin today. In fact, we will be taking you on a tour sa ating Transcom facilities.
Correct. Ipapakita namin sa inyo how we support our employees in the best possible way. So, tara!
Tara, pasok tayo, sobrang init na eh. Joining us today in our session of After Shift is our Facilities Manager, Ms. Chi.
Hi, good afternoon.
So, nasan nga ba tayo today, Ms. Chi?
Actually, nandito tayo ngayon sa Recruitment Hub sa Pasig. So, dito lahat nag-start. We have our beautiful receptionist, Miss Ivy.
Ms. Abby.
We have our receiving area. So, kung saan pwede mag-relax yung mga applicant natin.
So, pwede din sila dito mag-stay.
Yes.
Time.
Ito yung waiting area sa mga aplikante natin. So, habang hinihintay nila yung results, so gumagawa ng activity yung mga recruiters natin para hindi ma-bored sila.
May premyo ba yan, Ms. Chi?
Yes, of course. And the other side, we have our testing area. Kung saan ginagawa yung assessment ng applicant natin.
So, Ms. Chi, ilan ang kayang ma-accommodate ng testing area natin?
Actually, kaya siya mag-accommodate ng 15 applicants.
Marami rin.
Yes. And then on the other side, we have our interview rooms.
We already had a glimpse of our recruitment area, di ba, Ms. Chi?
Yeah.
Ano pa yung mga facilities na meron tayo sa Transcom na pagmamalaki natin sa ating mga employees and of course, mga applicants alike?
Okay, wait. There's more. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Transcom Cafe.
Transcom.
Let's go inside para
Ma-refresh
touch tayo. Correct.
So, Ms. Chi, bakit tayo nag-come up sa Transcom Cafe?
Good question yan. We observed mostly yung employee natin hilig sa coffee.
Correct.
So instead na lumabas pa sila, nilapit na natin. So we create this Transcom Cafe para purely for Transcom employees.
So it's for convenience.
Yes, correct.
Here's a home, Ms. Chi. Paano kaya sila lumabayad dito?
Okay, so mayroon tayong benefits na ina-offer. Yung perfect attendance. I know mayroon kayo, right? So yung perfect attendance na yun, nagka-accumulate siya ng 1,000 per month. So pwede siyang gamitin.
Okay.
So, yun yung pambayad.
Yes, give mo lang yung SIM number mo. You can claim any coffee that you want.
But they have, pwede sila magbayad cash?
Yes, may option din.
So, aside from coffee, may other pa bang pwede silang
Order.
bilhin or order?
Yes, we have also offering mga pastries, diba? Yes, and some of the juices. Lalo na yung mga employee natin na hindi mahilig mag-coffee din.
Actually, Ms. Chi, nakakaganda ng place natin ito. No? I mean, very relaxing yung ambience.
Yes.
Very
Coffee shop
cozy.
na lang.
Coffee shop vibe. And nakaka-relax. Hindi
Yeah.
na puro work. Di ba dapat meron tayong work-life balance?
Yes.
Sinasabi.
So, isa yan sa pinopromote natin. Lalo na yung relaxation area, homey yung feeling na after the shift or schedule mo ng work sa taas or especially sa lab ng production, meron tayong area na pwedeng makapag-relax yung employee natin.
Sarap pala nito.
Lalo libre.
Correct.
Yes.
Because of the park.
Correct.
Agree.
A space that provides support. We have the malasakit culture, which I believe distinguishes us from other companies and other BPOs. So part of that malasakit culture is providing employees with things that help them to do their best in their work. That's what every leader's purpose is. I believe that, you support your team, you provide them the tools needed so that they can do their best. And that's why we've come up with our type of facility, which has several amenities like childcare.
Actually, Miss Chi, kanina naglalakad tayo pupunta dito sa area na to. Meron ako napansin In fact, meron ako nakita mga bata na naglalakad-lakad papunta rin sa park dito ng ating building.
Pwede ba yun, Miss G, sa office, magdadala ng bata?
Yeah, actually good question yan. Kasi isa sa mga amenities na ino-offer natin dito sa Transcom is yung childcare.
Childcare.
So ready na ba kayong makita? So let's go! Okay, hi! Okay. We have our policy between 0 to 4. Pwedeng dalhin yung baby as long as may companion. Then 5 years old up to 12 years old, no need because we have our childcare staff na naka-monitor. Yes.
Nowadays, nannies are expensive, help is expensive, and we also have a lot of migration going on. So the traditional support of family members helping you take care of your kids, it's no longer as prevalent as in the past. So with childcare, we are able to support parents who don't have immediate relatives to help take care of the kids when they're going to work, or even single parents. So that's why we have that.
Napansin ko dito sa group natin, no, Miss Chi, is napaka-Instagram worthy kung baga na more
Yes.
yung mga mag-mural ba yan?
Correct.
Nandyan. And of course, parang madami ding mga pwedeng gawin ng ating mga kids.
Yes, kasi isa yun sa gusto nating aside on having a childcare facility is yung relaxation din. Hindi lang sa employee but also sa mga bata, excited sila. Kasi di ba alam mo yung pagbata, gusto nila maraming colors, maraming mga characters na naka-design sa mga walls. So isa yun sa pinopromote natin din. And may mga activities din tayong ina-offer para hindi rin maboard yung mga bata dito. And one thing na pinakamaganda dito is aside for activities is yung at peace din ng parents. Yung peace of mind mo na while you're working, meron kang area na masasabi, yung anak ko nandun lang siya sa childcare, sa office, na isasama nila. Plus na pwede rin sila magsama mag-break time, kumain, lunch. So, after shift, yun nga, i-out lang nila yung kids nila. Yes.
And may sleeping area din.
Yes, may mga sleeping area din tayo dito. Kasi, syempre, during night shift, pag hindi naman pwede yung bata, magpuyat din. So, we offer din yung sleeping area sa childcare.
So, Miss Chi, ano naman next dito sa ating Transcom facilities?
Let's go to Generica.
We partnered with Generica so that we have an on-site pharmacy. Our industry, mga vampira tayo, diba? So, we are alive at night. And pagod na pagod ka. You go somewhere else, buy the medicine, and then go home. Ilang hours na lang yung tulog mo, and then you'll wake up again. So, people aren't able to get that rest. So, Transcom had the idea of having an in-house pharmacy so that, employees on their lunch breaks or coffee breaks or whatever, or immediately, upon arrival or just right before they're going home, they can get whatever they need from the in-house pharmacy. And their free time can be devoted to their families, themselves, and get some rest.
First time ko makakita ng ganito actually.
Yes. You can see, kompleto.
Kompleto.
As in.
May diapers, I can see.
Yes.
Gatas.
Yes.
Lahat ng
Lahat ng
Personality.
gamot meron
Yeah.
dito, actually.
Yes.
Same ba ito ng ginawa natin kanina na pwede siya lang kumuha ng bumili Or pwede na gamitin yung power nila?
Yes. So, itong area na to or in Generica, pwede sila mag-accept nung perfect attendance bonus. So, yung pwede nilang i-claim any of this, pwedeng medicine, pwedeng essentials.
Aside from that, Miss G, di ba, meron din tayong MVR.
Yes.
Yearly na lang po.
Yes, MBR din tayo na pwede rin dito gamitin. And I think meron kang in-order ka dito.
Actually, just about last night,
Yeah.
nag-order na ako ng
Wow.
online. Ganun siya convenient, ganun siya
Very-
kabilis. Miss, thank you.
Uy, ako din. Meron pa akong car na natitira.
Go!
Order po.
People who work spend 1/3 of our life in the office. We actually see more of our work family than our real family or home family, right? So you want to be in a space that you feel comfortable, you're able to deliver your best in whatever endeavor that you're doing. That also encourages professionalism among each other.
Okay, May. Meron na naman tayong panibagong facilities manager na join sa atin today to tour sa isa pa nating site. So let us welcome Miss Karina.
Alam niyo ba, isa sa mga famous, as in top,
Gamit na gamit.
gamit na gamit, itong video okan natin. As in, everyday yan, before ng shoot nila, or 15 minutes break nila, even after break. So parang ito na yung pinaka-bonding nila. Siyempre, di ba, graveyard, karamihan dito. So, gaming, dito sila nag-stay.
Tsaka Pinoy kasi.
Pinoy kasi,
Di mo matatanggal yan.
yes, kwento ko sa inyo. Yung mic namin, yan, ilang beses nung pinamitan niya.
Ganun kagamit na gamit.
Yes! Ganon. With tayo, we have PS4 and of course yung Xbox. So ito din, gamit na gamit.
So, walang mag-aagawa na.
Wala
Sila
namang
dito.
nag-aagawan, oo. Kasi dalawa naman siya, so...
So they have time to relax
Oo,
and enjoy.
yes, oo.
At magkatabi talaga sila.
At magkatabi sila. Pag ayaw nila kong kumanta, dito na
Dito
mag-iiwas
naman.
na sila. Kung ayaw nila mag-iiwas, bibirit naman sila sa videoan.
Alam mo, Karina, aside from the fact that very spacious ang ating area dito, no, there's also one thing that caught my attention. It's yung madaming parang areas na pwede silang mag-rest.
Yes, so we have the creative area. Itry nyo. Very, very office siya dito. After shift, ayaw pa tinapure.
Palipas oras.
Palipas oras.
Very Instagrammable ng location na to, ng itong area.
Pansin ko, Franco, may value yung health and wellness ng ating mga employees.
Are you ready to boost your energy?
Yes!
Ready, ready.
Let's go! May gusto mong palak ng mask.
Pwede.
Pwede, di ba? Actually, 24 hours naman to. Any employee, maglalagin lang sila.
So, kahit hindi na lumabas papuntang gym,
Oo.
nandito na rin sa office.
Yes. Mga employee natin, di ba, syempre most of the time mga nakaupo lang sila. So, aside from video, okay, gaming,
Mas na-encourage pa.
encourage pa sila, notify. Syempre naman, kompleto na natin.
Oo, mapansin ko din, at least meron na tayong gym.
Yes.
Meron pa tayong video area. Meron tayong breakout room. And of course, ito naman natin shower. May sleeping quarters.
Ang favorite ko.
Ang favorite ko din. I think it's everyone's favorite.
Yes. So, dinidisinfect din natin to, ha? May schedule for cleaning din tayo ng disinfection to make sure linis parati.
Nakaka-encourage talaga matulog.
Lalo na after shift, pag pagod ka, di mo pa kaya i-breathe.
You can build a beautiful site, but yet it leaves you cold.
Correct.
We don't want that. We want a beautiful site, but we want it to feel cozy, warm, and welcoming.
Parang ano naman, sa kwarto ko lang din yung effect.
Seriously po eh.
Ano man, if there's actually one thing I learned about this, gone are the days kasi na dati when you go to the office bahay, office na inan, right? So, para sa tingin ko, nagtatransform na yung ating mga workplaces into something that is
Enjoy.
enjoyable, hindi na fully productive, enjoyable din, and relaxing sa ating mga employees, right?
Sobrang nakakaganang pumasok, lalo na pag, ang daming facilities na makikita, lalo na sa Transcom. Hindi na convenient, very basta masaya.
Kasi, innovative,
Correct.
lahat, everything rolled into one, kumbaga, ang ating mga workspaces today. Especially, of course, Transcom. Ganyan siya ka-employee-friendly. And that concludes our tour of Transcom's incredible facilities. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into how we are reimagining corporate culture to create, fun and engaging workplace.
So, if you're a newbie or just wanted to try or, feel ang experience dito sa BPO, then I hope this video, inspired you or encouraged you to try applying and see what it's like to be in this, new adaptive world of, the BPO industry. Hindi lang puro work kung hindi may work-life balance dito sa Transcom.
Let us know in the comments or drop us a message. What do you think makes a workplace fun and engaging?
And of course, stay tuned for more tips, stories, and fun conversations on our Pintuan here in
The After Shift.
Take care, bye!